Mohenjo-daro was a major urban center of the Indus Valley Civilization, flourishing around 2500 to 1700 BCE. The city was laid out in a grid pattern with baked brick houses having multiple stories and courtyards. Indus Valley Civilization is named after Indus River, its world's first civilization. The Great Bath, used for ritual bathing during festival and religious ceremony. This is the stupa, mainly used for meditation. This is the main map of the civilization. These are granaries, were buildings used for storing grains and animal feed, protect from rodents and other animals. This is the drainage system, carries waste liquid to the main tunnel, highly functional. And these are the room system. Rooms were arranged around central courtyard, had separate area for cooking and bathing, some of storage. And this is the sewerage, was dispersed through underground drain built from bricks and covered with stones. And this is the 12-meter tall wall structure for fortification and defensive from enemies.